Page 35, seesaws. On this lesson, they're introducing you to a thing called a slur in music. A slur, depending on what instrument it is, careful, I'm talking piano here. A slur means you simply connect the notes. See, it says at the top, legato means smoothly connected. Well, in a way it is, but in piano we can't do anything smoothly because the piano is percussive. That means when you play the note, you get it, and then it starts to die away. And then the next note, and you die away. And the next note, that's not smooth. They don't blend into each other. It's blah, 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 blah. But we can connect them. There's no silence, but see, there's silence between those. Slur means you connect them. You connect them. No silence. Now, keep in mind that curved line is used for a few things. Slur is just one of them. A slur means you connect the notes within the slur. Let's look at here on seesaws. You see above the first two measures, there's a curved line. That's the slur line. That's telling you to connect the notes. And then the bottom staff, you have the curved line. The curved line might be above or below the staff. It doesn't matter where it is. The point is it's there as you connect the notes within the slur. You may or may not connect the notes between slurs. It has nothing to do with what happens between slurs. It's talking strictly within the slur you connect the notes. Because we're going to start talking about interpreting the music eventually when we recover from learning all these symbols. And that means you have a lot of leeway on what you want to do. You don't have to connect the notes all the time. If the music doesn't say anything, yeah. But when they put in a slur like that, they're telling you to connect the notes. So let's look this over. I'm going to go through this process I use. Here it's one line long, but it has a repeat sign, so it's really two lines long, but only have one line of music to learn. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature, and I see quarter notes and half notes. Now, if I'm starting here, second finger and right hand here, that puts the right hand in C position. And the left hand, second finger on F, that puts the left hand in C position. And if you don't know the names of these notes in the music yet, play it and say it. Do the play it and say it drill. Drill yourself on this. Be patient. It comes. Just keep doing it. Once you know the names of the notes instantly, you don't need to do it, unless you need to review. So, I check the rhythm. Well, quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, so I can make sure the rhythm's okay. And then once I have that, we'll think about the how loud or soft. The MF, mezzo, forte, or moderately loud, medium loud, sort of loud. No. You decide what that is. I can't help you on that. It's not loud, it's just sort of loud. If you want to sing it, that's up to you. I don't know. So you go through and learn it. And then when you're ready, come back to the video and let's play it together slowly to make sure you have all the correct notes and rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts, and we are going to repeat it. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. Repeat. 3, 4, off. There's a duet part for this at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that, and you play what you just played. But again, the duet part's using these notes, so I need you to go up an octave. Remember, an octave is letter to letter. So you're simply going to pretend that middle C, instead of here, is going up to here. And this is middle C instead of that. So instead of here, you're up here, and you play it up here. All up here. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.